Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale market research with SurveyMonkey, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your market research using SurveyMonkey, start by creating an account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once you have logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Click on the Create Survey button to begin crafting your survey. Select a template that fits your research needs, or start from scratch with a blank survey. Give your survey a descriptive title that reflects its purpose. Next, start adding your questions by clicking on the Add Question button. Choose the type of question that best suits your data collection needs, such as multiple choice, rating scale, or open-ended. Craft clear and concise questions to ensure that respondents understand what you are asking. Utilize the question bank feature for ideas or pre-written questions. After adding your questions, arrange them in a logical order by dragging and dropping them. Make sure to preview your survey to check for any errors or necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses button to set up your distribution method. Choose from various options such as email, social media, or generating a link. Customize your collector settings, including the response limit and whether to allow anonymous responses. If you wish to target specific demographics, utilize SurveyMonkey's audience feature. After launching your survey, monitor the responses in real time via the dashboard. Analyze the data using SurveyMonkey's built-in analytics tools. Take advantage of filters to segment responses for deeper insight. If necessary, export your data for more complex analysis or reporting using compatible software. Review the findings and make data-driven decisions based on your research. Remember to iterate and refine your survey process for future research projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.